Hi guys! Let's set a performance about Little Red Riding Hood and then we can show it at school. Whoa, let's do it! And what we need to do? Well, we have to sew the costumes, make up the scenery, divide the roles, and everyone will have to learn the text. Who's the director? I'm the director. Ha! How dare you to be it! I'm not going to take part in such a messy story. Well, let's divide the roles. Little Red Riding Hood will be the fire truck. Hooray! Hooray! I'm the main character! And the wolf will be you, the builder. I don't want to be the wolf. I'm Hunter. Good. Hey, Ranger, do you want to take the leading part in the performance? A leading one? Of course I want. Then you will be the wolf. Ha! Cool. So, let's start the rehearsal. Please read the text and then analyze the acting area. What are we going to analyze? The acting area. This is the places where someone is standing while performing a role. Let's begin. I'm afraid. Don't be afraid. Fire truck. You'll see that everyone will enjoy our performance. Hello, Little Red Riding Hood. And where are you going? I'm going to the granny. I'll bring her some cakes and a bottle of milk. And where does your grandmother live? Not far from here, following the path and then to the right. Good luck, Little Red Riding Hood. Knock, knock. Who's here? It's me, your granddaughter. I have brought you some cakes and a bottle of milk. Can I come in? Hold the cord, my child, and the door will open. Grandma, why do you have such big ears? It's better to hear your granddaughter. And why do you have such big eyes? My child, for me to see you better. And why do you have such big teeth? For me to eat you. Help! Help! Bang, bang! Ooh. Hello, Ranger. Hello, Crane. Where are you going at this unearthly hour? I'm going fishing to hook magic golden fish. Would you like to join? Certainly, I wish. Oh, how are you going to catch your golden fish? Quite simple. I have collected special magic flowers for this. Just watch. It will bite at them quickly. Whoop! There. What did I tell you? Here it is. Magic golden fish. Let me go. For this I will fulfill any your wish. My goodness, it is real golden fish from the fairy tale. So what are you waiting for, Crane? Make your wish faster. Wish upon, quicker. I have a dream from my childhood to be a combine to work in the field. Then so be it. Crane, what's the matter with you? Is it you? Hooray! I can work in the field, collect and thresh the grain to make bread of it. My wish has come true. Where are you going, Crane? Wait a minute. Oh, where are you, Crane, now? How shall we plant trees and clean the woods without him? How shall we build our house without the crane? Crane, friend, it's awful. Seba has fallen onto the bridge. What is to do? Turn back quickly. Let's go. Be quick. Help! I'm sinking. Give it up. Thank you, my friend. So the grain, everyone is useful at its own place. Thank you, fish. Hooray! The grain is back.
Hi, little gammas. Hi, guys. Look, I brought cookies. Let's go to feed the birds. Great, let's go. Hello, birdie. Here you are, the cookies. Guys, look what bird has left.
Wow, that is a real pirate map. Here, there is an island where the treasures are hidden on it.
Oh, let's get them.
Sure, we will get them. But how do we get to the island?
We should ask Grandma Boat. Let's go to the sea. Grandma Boat!
Who is shooting? What has happened, kids?
Grandma, look, we have a treasure map.
I know this island. If you want, I will take you there.
Of course we won't.
Well, then get into.
What do you want on my island? Get out of here. Dear parrot, we found your map and come to look for treasure. Haha, I'm old Parrot Ham. 30 years I guard the island, and no one has ever seen my map. You're liars.
Here it is, dear parrot.
Well, it is really my map. You really found it. But now try to get the treasure. I myself cannot get it.
What should we do? We are ready, dear parrot.
Do you see this palm tree? It dries, and I cannot water it. When it spreads its leaves, its shadow will indicate the entrance to the cave.
Ha! That is easy. Here, I got water for your palm.
How? How you did it? Here it is, the entrance to the cave, but it is blocked up with sand. Big deal. Now we will dig it up quickly. We managed this task too. But the cave is very deep. How are you going down there? Very easy, dear bird. We have a ladder. At last, here it is, my treasure. I have seen it for 30 years. Open the chest quicker.
Look, it is a real star. How beautiful it shines in the sun.
Catch it quicker until escaped.
No, let it fly home. Stars have to live in the sky. Hooray! We have saved the star.
Hi there, guys. The fall is coming, and any minute now is going to be colder, and we don't have any house yet. Please meet. These are the funny little people. They will help us to build a house. They are Hunter Hans, Know Nothings, Thumbelina, and Pinocchio. Nice to meet you guys. We have made a drawing, thus it will be easy to build the house. So, at first, we have to lay the foundation. I'll bring some bricks, and I will mix the concrete. And as for me, I will go to the forest, and by my own hands, I will build up the best separate house. Whatever. Now we have to build the levels. And moreover, I have these days. Fire! Mine! Here we have our house that we have built so fast and just in time. It seems that the storm is coming. And where is Ranger? We don't need any aid, neither the foundations. Oh, storm! Please forgive me, friends. Come in, Ranger. We have enough space for everybody.